Doesn't it seem as though summer is coming a bit quicker this year? Each day brings us one step closer to busting out the bathing suits and baring our bodies. This is the time of year when many people, women in particular, start scrutinizing their body closer than ever. My inbox is proof of this. I have decided to write an article about the #1 question of last week: how to banish cellulite. I was a bit surprised at the many misconceptions surrounding cellulite. A lot of women asked if such and such cream would work, if they should stop eating cottage cheese, or if surgery was their only option. What exactly is cellulite and what is the best way to get rid of it? Cellulite is nothing more than additional fat cells stored in your body. We all have connective tissue that separates fat cells into little compartments. Women have honeycomb-shaped compartments and men have a crisscross pattern. The honeycomb-shaped compartments are the reason some women have dimply thighs, or cottage cheese-looking arms. Getting rid of cellulite is simple, but not necessarily easy. The only way cellulite can be reduced is to reduce overall body fat. You cannot spot reduce or rub a cream on it. You cannot starve yourself either. The only way to rid yourself of cellulite is to follow these 5 highly effective, simple, and to-the-point tips. 1. Eat 5 to 6 small meals throughout the day. Each meal should be 2 to 3 hours apart. Each meal should contain 1 protein and 1 carb. The first meal should be eaten within an hour after waking. 2. Drink a cup of water at each meal. 3. Rest properly. This means taking at least 48 hours between strength training the same muscles, and it also means getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Lastly, it means taking 1 to 2 days off from exercising per week. 4. Cardio should be done at different intensity levels and different session lengths. Consider doing a low-intensity long session, a high-intensity short session, and a few medium-intensity medium-length sessions per week. 5. Strength train each muscle 1 to 3 times per week. You should lift a proper weight and perform the proper amount of sets, reps for your strength training method. If you need more guidance or exercise ideas, you can head over http://www.strength-training-woman.com. All of the above things combined will result in cellulite reduction. There are no miracle creams or secrets. It's all about good old-fashioned working out. Having said that, work out smarter and not harder. Get on a great program that is tailored to your body and your goals. Everyone is different, but following these 5 tips practically guarantees your cellulite will vanish.